And also I have discussed representation of signed integers. Only in 2's complement system we can use this negation method. Find 1's complement method to this binary value. Here we have 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So sign bit is 0. Using complement method we can subtract two binary values. Minuend is greater than subtrahend means how to perform the binary subtraction. Welcome back to my new session. I am Shweta, Computer Science Faculty, Vidyashram College, Mysore. My dear students, already I have discussed so many conversion problems, right? Please don't get confused on these problems, conversion methods. Please understand the concept. Easily you can score 8 marks in data representation. In my last session, I have discussed binary subtraction and 1's complement and 2's complement method. Binary subtraction means subtraction between two binary numbers. We have to use some rules for performing binary subtraction, right? So we will get minuend, subtrahend, difference and borrow. We have to use some rules for subtracting. 0 minus 0 will get 0 and borrow also 0. And if your subtrahend value is larger than the minuend value, what you should do is take one borrow from the left digit and you will get 1. So 0 minus 1 is difference is 1 and borrow also 1. There is no sum and carry. You have to difference this 0 and 1. You will get 1 and 1. And 1 minus 0 you will get 1 and borrow is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0 and 0. You have to use these rules for performing binary subtraction. It's very simple concept. Please use these rules for performing the binary subtraction. And also I have discussed representation of signed integers. We have three methods for performing data representation, that is signed integers method and 1's complement and 2's complement method. A signed integer is an integer that can be both positive and negative, and the sign value will have 0 for positive and 1 for negative. So I explained this signed integer method. If a signed integer value is positive means it will represent 0. If your sign value is negative means it will represent 1. And also I have discussed 1's complement and 2's complement method. So what is 1's complement method? In 1's complement method, each 1 changes to 0 and 0 changes to 1. Very simple concept. 1's complement method means 0 changes to 1 and 1 changes to 0. Example, take one binary value 10110110. Convert it into 1's complement method. So what is the 1's complement for this given binary value? 0 changes to 1, 1 changes to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. This is your 1's complement method. Very simple. 0 changes to 1, 1 changes to 0. And what is 2's complement method? 2's complement means 2's complement is equal to 1's complement plus 1. 2's complement is equal to 1's complement plus 1. First, you have to perform 1's complement and add 1 to the least significant bit. Example, here we have one binary value. First, you need to convert this into 1's complement. So, what is the 1's complement? 1 changes to 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is 1's complement. Next, you have to convert this into 2's complement. 2's complement means add 1 to the least significant bit. This is LSB, least significant bit. So, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 and 1. This is your 2's complement value. Very simple. 2's complement means 1's complement plus 1. First you need to perform 1's complement, then add 1 to the least significant bit. You will get 2's complement value. So today I am going to discuss about negation and subtraction from 1's complement and 2's complement. My dear students, definitely there will be a problem from subtraction between 1's complement and 2's complement method. So first topic is negation. So what do you mean by negation? Negation is an operation. It changes from positive to negative and negative to positive. Negation means it is a complement method. Negation is the operation converting a positive number to its negative equivalent. Positive number to its negative equivalent and negative number to positive equivalent. This is called as negation method. And negation is performed by 2's complement system. Only in 2's complement system we can use this negation method. Let us understand the concept. Example, consider the number plus 12. Its binary representation is 01100. 12 means 8421 code, 8 plus 4 is 12. So 01100 is your binary value of plus 12. Clear? And here we have to find the 2's complement of plus 12. Here you have one positive number, that is 12. That binary representation is 01100. So here you need to find the 2's complement of plus 12. Clear? So what is the first step? So first you need to find the binary value of 12, that is 01100. And next step is find 1's complement method to this binary value. Find 1's complement method. Why you should do the 1's complement method? Because 2's complement is equal to 1's complement plus 1. Right? So first you need to find the 1's complement for this binary value. So what is the 1's complement of this binary value? 0 changes to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. After that you need to add 1 to LSB. This is your least significant bit, LSB. Add plus 1 to this least significant bit, you will get 2's complement. So 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 and 1 plus 0 is 1. This is your 2's complement value. You just observe this. This is a negative number since the sign bit is 1. So why it is a negative number? In my previous session, I have discussed about sign and magnitude method, right? In sign and magnitude method, we can consider this first number is called as sign bit and remaining are called as magnitude bit, right? So first number is sign bit and remainings are magnitude bit. If your first numbers are called as most significant bit. If your first number is 1 means we can call it as negative number. If your sign bit starts from 1 means we can call it as negative number. If your value starts from 0, we can call it as positive number. Got it? So this number, since the sign bit is 1, is negative number. Actually 10100, it represents minus 12 to the base 10 because your sign bit starts from 1. So we can call it as a negative number, which is the negative of the number plus 12. Here we have plus 12. We have to check it is a negative number or positive number. So finally we will get a negative number because your sign bit starts from 1. So negation means plus changes to minus. So we got the final answer here. Plus 12 changes to minus 12 using 2's complement method. Using 2's complement method, we can find the given number is positive or negative. Very simple concept. So next we have minus 12. So we have to convert it into plus 12 using 2's complement method. So what is the binary value of minus 12? You should not use that 8421 for this minus 12. Already we found the value of minus 12, that is 10100. So 10100 is your minus 12 binary representation. So 10100 is your binary number. Convert this into 1's complement and then 2's complement. So first one we have 1. 1 changes to 0, 0 changes to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So we have converted this into 1's complement method. So next we have to convert this into 2's complement method. So what you should do is, you should add 1 to the least significant bit. Add plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 1. This is your 2's complement value. And we will check this is a positive number. Why it is a positive number? Because your sign bit starts from 0. If your sign bit is 0, means it is a positive number. If your sign bit starts from 1, means this is your negative number. Here we have 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So sign bit is 0. So we can call this is a positive number. So minus 12, using 2's complement method, we got a plus 12. Clear? This is called as negation method, which is the negative of the number minus 12. So finally we got the plus 12 value using minus 12 in 2's complement method. So this is called as negation using 2's complement method. Next we have subtraction of binary number using complement method. Subtraction of binary numbers using complement method. Using complement method, we can subtract two binary values. So how to subtract two binary values using complement method? Already I have discussed 1's complement and 2's complement, right? Using that 1's complement and 2's complement, we can subtract two binary values. In the binary subtraction, we can perform subtraction operation using two methods of complements. They are subtraction using 1's complement and subtraction using 2's complement. So what is subtraction using 1's complement? Subtraction using 1's complement. So what are the steps we have to follow? Case 1. We have two cases, case 1 and case 2. So which are the case 1? Subtracting a smaller number from a larger number. Subtracting a smaller number from a larger number. That is, minuend is greater than subtrahend. Minuend is greater than subtrahend means how to perform the binary subtraction using 1's complement method. First you have to find the 1's complement of the subtrahend. First you need to check which is the subtrahend and which is a minuend. That is very important. First check the subtrahend value and minuend value. Step 1 is find the 1's complement of subtrahend. Find the 1's complement of subtrahend and add this 1's complement of subtrahend to the minuend. Add 1's complement of subtrahend to the minuend. I will explain with an example. Carry is generated means that carry is called as end around carry. Carry is generated, this carry is called as end around carry. After adding the 1's complement of subtrahend to minuend, you will get carry. If your carry is generated means that carry is called as end around carry. In case 1, you will get end around carry. Add that end around carry back to the least significant bit to get the final difference. After getting the end around carry, you need to add that end around carry to the least significant bit. Example, here we have two values, decimal values, that is 15 and 23. Subtract 15 from 23. So which case we are performing? That is case 1. Case 1 means minuend is greater than subtrahend. So greater value is 23. This is called as minuend. Minuend is 23 and subtrahend is 15. First you need to check this. 15 from 23. From 23 means this is your minuend value and this is your subtrahend value. Got it? So 23 minus 15 we have to check. So what is the binary value of 23? Using 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1 code means you can extend. So here using this code we have to find the value of 23. So 23 means which all are the numbers you need to add. So 16 plus 4 it is 20 and 22 and plus 1 that is 23 and 15. 15 means 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 15. So this is your binary value of 23 and 15. First you need to find the binary value. After that, what is the second step? So first find 1's complement of subtrahend. So what is 1's complement of subtrahend? After finding the binary values, you need to find the 1's complement of subtrahend, not for minuend. So you need to find the 1's complement of subtrahend. 1's complement of subtrahend is 0 changes to 1, 1 changes to 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 0 and 1 to 0. This is your 1's complement of subtrahend. 1's complement of subtrahend. And next add this 1's complement of subtrahend to the minuend. So your minuend is 10111 and plus 1's complement of subtrahend. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry is generated. So add this properly, you will get this answer 100111. After adding these two binary values, you will get this 100111. So here carry is generated. This carry is called as end around carry. So again add this end around carry to the least significant bit. So you will get the final difference. So 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 and end around carry already have added to the least significant bit. So this is your final answer. This is your difference. So what is the final answer for 23 minus 15? It is 8, right? So here we got 1000. So you can check the answer. 1000 means 8. This is your final answer. Very simple, right? So using this method we can subtract two binary values using 1's complement method. This is case 1. Case 1 means if your minuend is larger than the subtrahend, so you can use this method. If your minuend is larger than subtrahend means you will get end around carry. End around carry means again add this end around carry to the least significant bit. So you will get the final difference. This is case 1. I will give one assignment question. Please practice this problem. 110101 to the base 2 minus 100101 to the base 2. Here they have given two binary values. This is minuend and this is subtrahend. Directly you can perform the 1's complement method. So 1's complement means, so first you need to find the subtrahend of 1's complement. Then add this subtrahend of 1's complement to the minuend. So if you get any carry, end around carry means add that end around carry to the least significant bit. So you will get the final difference. Very simple problem. Please practice this. And next we have case 2, that is minuend is less than subtrahend. If minuend is less than subtrahend means what we have to do? Find the 1's complement of subtrahend. Again same step we have to use. Add this to the minuend. Same method. First you need to find the 1's complement of subtrahend and add this to the minuend. There will be no carry. If you get any carry means you just add that carry to the least significant bit, you will get the difference. In case 2, there will be no carry. Recomplement the answer. Recomplement the answer and put negative symbol in front of the answer. Example. Here subtrahend is larger than the minuend. So subtrahend is 52 and minuend is 25. So 25 minus 52. So what is the first step? find the binary value of this 25, you can use two methods for finding the binary value. Divide this binary value by 2, or you can use 8421 code. 168421 code also you can use for finding the binary value, or else you can divide this decimal value by 2. You will get the value of binary number. Find the ones complement of this subtrahend. What is the ones complement of this subtrahend? Ones complement of this subtrahend is 1 changes to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. After finding the ones complement of this subtrahend, add this ones complement of subtrahend to the minuend. Add these two values. So 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is 1. If there is no carry generated means again you recomplement this answer, you will get the final difference and put negative symbol in front of the answer. Again you recomplement means again take ones complement, that is 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. This is your recomplement final value. For this final value, put negative symbol. This is your final difference. So, minus 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is your final answer. That is minus 27. So, what is the answer? 25 minus 52 means minus 27. This is your case 2. If your subtrahend is larger than minuend means there will be no carry. No carry means recomplement the answer, you will get the final value and put negative symbol in front of the value. This is case 1 and case 2. Subtraction using ones complement method. Very important question. Next problem, example problem. Please practice this problem. Here we have two binary numbers. Directly they have given the two values. So this is minuend and this is subtrahend. Use this subtrahend, find the ones complement for this value and add this ones complement to the minuend. After that, there will be no carry. No carry means again you recomplement the answer and put negative symbol in front of the answer. You will get the final difference. This is case 1 and case 2. Please practice this question. So next we have second conversion called subtraction using 2's complement method. Using 2's complement method, how to subtract two binary numbers. So here case 1, subtracting a smaller number from a larger number, that is minuend is greater than subtrahend. So what we should do is find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. In ones complement, we have to perform ones complement of the subtrahend. In 2's complement method, we have to use 2's complement of this subtrahend. After finding the 2's complement of the subtrahend, add this to the minuend and carry is generated. Carry is generated means discard the carry. End around carry is generated means discard the carry and the remaining bits give the difference. In 2's complement method, if you are getting end around carry, please discard the carry and the remaining bits give the difference. But in your ones complement method, carry is generated means you need to add that carry to the least significant bit. So, how to perform this 2's complement method? Here you have two numbers, that is 0, 9 and 17. So, minuend is larger than subtrahend. I am doing the case 1. Minuend is larger than the subtrahend. 0, 9 from 17. So, minuend is 17, subtrahend is 9. So, 17 minus 9. First find the binary value of 17, that is 10001 and subtrahend value is 01001. So, here first you need to find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. So, 2's complement means what? 1's complement plus 1. First find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. So, first you should find the 1's complement, that is 0 changes to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. And after finding the 1's complement, add 1 to the least significant bit, you will get 2's complement. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is your 2's complement of subtrahend. Add this 2's complement to the minuend value. So minuend is 1,0,0,0,1. Add this 2's complement of subtrahend, that is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry. So here you will get end around carry. If you get any end around carry, discard this carry and you will get the final answer called 1,0,0,0,0. This is your final answer. So what is the value of 17 minus 9? It is 8. So 8 means 1,0,0,0,0. This is your 2's complement method. Subtraction using 2's complement method, case 1. And second we have case 2. Minuend is less than subtrahend. Minuend is less than the subtrahend. So what is the first step? Find, again you have to find the 2's complement of the subtrahend and add it to the minuend. Add this to the minuend, there will be no carry. There will be no carry, hence take the 2's complement. Again you have to recomplement the answer and put negative sign in front of the answer. We will see the example problem. So here we have two numbers 47 from 26. So minuend is less than the subtrahend. This is case 2. First find the binary value of 26 and the binary value of 47. After that, this is your subtrahend, this is your minuend. Find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. 2's complement of the subtrahend means first you need to find for 1's complement, then add 1 to the least significant bit, you will get 2's complement. So 1's complement is 1 to 0, 1 changes to 0, 1 changes to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. And add 1 to the least significant bit, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0. This is your 2's complement of subtrahend. And add this to the minuend. Add this 2's complement value to the minuend, so you will get the final answer. So your minuend is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 and subtrahend is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Add these two values, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 0, 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is 1. There is no carry is generated. No carry means again you recomplement this answer. Recomplement means this is 2's complement operation we are doing. So you need to find the 2's complement this answer. 2's complement means first you need to find the 1's complement, then add 1 to the LSB. So 2's complement, first you need to find 1's complement. 1 changes to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. And again add 1 to the least significant bit, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. There is no carry. So this is your final answer. There is no carry generated means again you recomplement the answer. So you will get 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Put negative sign in front of the answer. This is your final answer for 2's complement method. Case 2. So minuend is less than the subtrahend means again you have to use the same steps, but there is no carry is generated. Again recomplement the answer and put negative symbol in front of the answer. This is your final value, that is minus 10101. Again I will give one more assignment question. Please practice this. Subtract 72 from 54 using 2's complement method. So this is case 2. Minuend is less than the subtrahend. Please find this. Minuend is 54, subtrahend is 72. Using these two decimal numbers, first you need to find the binary value for these two numbers. After finding the binary values, please find the minuend and subtrahend. First find out the binary value of these two numbers and after that find the 2's complement of subtrahend and again add this 2's complement of subtrahend to the minuend. There will be no carry. There will be no carry means recomplement the answer and put negative symbol in front of the answer. You will get the final difference. Very simple concept. Please use the rules and easily you can find the subtraction using 1's complement and subtraction using 2's complement methods. So today we learned negation with problem and subtraction using 1's complement and subtraction using 2's complement method. In my next session, I will come with the last topic called computer codes. Thank you.